Get you the details. What information for now suggests that at least 15 flight diversions have been reported. However, these flight operations have now returned to normal, and delays that have been cleared as passengers that have been still advised to check their flight status for any remaining changes. What we are getting to know that flight operations, because of dense fog and low visibility, have been affected. And even when it comes to several of the areas that have been reported when it comes to a thick layer of fog that has covered North India, dropping temperatures and disrupting flight operations in several states. Delhi Airport, they're issuing an advisory for the passengers that operations that may have been impacted due to fog. However, the flight operations for now, we are told, are back on track. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, good morning. Denser fog than yesterday. Weather challenges continue, low visibility, flight operations that have been impacted.
Well, that's right. See, because of low visibility, airlines have been massively impacted. Yesterday around 200 flights have been delayed because of the dense fog. And today, between 12 a.m. to 1:30 a.m., around 15 flights have been diverted. But now the airport authority says that normalcy is returning. But they have, in fact, advised all the passengers who would be traveling today to check the airlines before coming to the airport because of the bad weather conditions. The flight may be impacted. Now, see, in several airports across the country, most specifically around 10 airports, the visibility has been zero. In airports like in Bengaluru, the visibility has been recorded at around 50 meters. And as per the IMD, the fog condition, the dense fog condition here in the national capital is going to continue till 8th of January. And on 6th of January, there's going to be rainfall here in the national capital. But the IMD has issued a yellow alert here in the national capital as far as the fog situation is concerned. And also they have issued a warning regarding the intense cold wave here in the national capital.
All right. So as far as the current cold wave conditions are concerned, it is expected to continue to persist for the coming days as people there are advised to take precautions before heading out in dense fog situations. Sabyasachi continues to be with us because as far